Hello guys, I'm Diwakar back with another new cool video, and in this cool video I'm going to give some initial impressions of Oxygen OS 11.1.5.5 update on OnePlus Nord and also show you guys how to set up Bitmoji on your OnePlus Nord. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. Currently, to get this update, you can wait for some days and you will receive this OTA in your system updates. Or if you want to try this update on your phone, then download and install Oxygen OS Updater app from Play Store. Then select your device and select incremental. In case your bootloader of the phone is unlocked, then you need to download the full update package, which will be available soon. Or you can try global update. Now that you have downloaded the update package, go into the system updater from settings and select the downloaded file from the local upgrade option by clicking on the gear icon which is present at the top right corner. Now that the phone is installing the update, let's have a look at the changelog. Firstly, this build brings the August security patch update with some minor system improvements. And they have added AOD Bitmoji to OnePlus Nord. Snapchat users are going to love this feature. So let's check this out once the phone gets booted into the latest update. Guys, I have exclusive content for you. This is the Nothing Wired Year 1, which comes with transparent design which is similar to Nothing Year 1. For more exclusive content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So here we are on the latest update of Oxygen OS 11 on OnePlus Nord, having August level security patch update, and I didn't observe any major UI change or performance change, though we can't believe the OnePlus for benchmark scores, but still for those who wanna know, it's 595 in single core and 1815 in multi-core, which is similar to the previous update. To enable Bitmoji feature on OnePlus Nord, head over to the customizations from settings, select clock on ambient display, and then click on Bitmoji clock style. Now download and install Bitmoji app from Play Store and set it up by taking a selfie. Also, you can customize it later as you did it on Snapchat. Now press on save. That's it. From now, you'll get your Bitmoji on AOD. This Bitmoji application downloads the stickers so that you can see them when your phone's offline. So make sure you choose mobile data or Wi-Fi accordingly to download these stickers. Also, your tracking data will be stored locally on your phone and won't be shared with Snapchat. But do you really trust these Chinese vendors? That's up to you. Now, surprisingly, FPS Meter comes into the gaming mode and you can enable it by clicking on the monitor data while gaming. I have said surprisingly because this wasn't mentioned in the changelog. And also this means this feature isn't stable enough. Oh come on, what did you expect? This isn't even working in real life. It shows 0 FPS all the time. But it seems like CPU and GPU usage is being displayed properly. Hope so it is. Now, don't rush to try this update guys. Do wait for my review, which will be out within 2 days, covering the battery usage, performance, and there isn't much to talk about the camera department, which has been the same as it was before. So do subscribe and click that bell icon and get notified when that video premieres on our channel. And if you want me to make a dedicated BGMI review, then do like this video. If we cross 150 likes, then I'll be making a video on that. So don't forget to like and share this video. Looking at this update, open beta users be like,
गजब बेइज्जती है.
I hope Oxygen OS 11 open beta program for OnePlus Nord is unofficially over now, as there are no major features left to arrive on OnePlus Nord running on Oxygen OS 11. So my advice for open beta users is to roll back to the stable Oxygen OS 11. And if you don't know how, then I'll leave a video guide link in the description box below. Do check it out.
A few moments later.
వస్తున్నారు ఇద్దరు వస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ
Marked a location. Marked a location.
విసు తొక్కడే
నువ్వు నాకారా.
We do have the dedicated Telegram group for OnePlus Nord series. You can ask your doubts, give suggestions, chat, and get latest information about OnePlus from there. Also, follow us on Instagram. We have uploaded some cool reels and posts there. And if you already did it, then thanks for joining our AIO community. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit on thumbs up button and share this video with your OnePlus friends and family. And lastly, subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to get notified about the videos related to OnePlus Nord. So thanks for watching guys. I'm Diwakar signing off and I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.